So I've just come on the little monorail from the south terminal to the north terminal. You get off up here, and then I've just come down in the lift, and then literally just across the road is my hotel. So it's going to be really handy in the morning to just get into the airport and check in straight away. So let's go check out the hotel. So this is the Gatwick North Premier Inn. It's a pretty standard Premier Inn really. Bed. It's just me tonight, so we don't need the extra bed. Got a desk with a chair. It's a little bit close there. So obviously last night we had it underneath the TV, so we had more room. We have got plugs and USB by the bed though, so that's good. Full length mirror, hanger, pretty standard bathroom. This one's got a shower in. Got 2 shower heads, that's good.